let's talk about tackling the often dreaded shower valve cartridge replacement. First, let's be real. Nobody enjoys a leaky shower. It's like throwing money down the drain. And who wants their water bill to resemble a national debt? It's not me, that's for sure. The first step is to gather all the necessary tools: Crescent wrench, Phillips and flathead screwdrivers, a cartridge puller, and plumber's grease. Trust me, there's nothing worse than being midway through a job and needing something from the store. It's the DIY walk of shame. Start by turning off the water supply. Skipping this, well, prepare for an indoor water park experience. You'll want to do this at the main valve or at the shower shutoff, if it's blessed with one. Safety goggles are a good idea too, because vision are underrated. Next, remove the handle and escutcheon plate. The handle usually pops off with a screwdriver, and the plate may only need unscrewing. It's like peeling an onion, except fewer tears, and a more satisfying finish, unless you forget which screw goes where. Now, you should see the retaining clip or nut. Make this remove it without losing it to the depths of your bathroom abyss. A magnetic dish can be a lifesaver here. It's like a tool belt for screws. Stray parts can really ruin the someday DIY vibe. It's time to yank out the old cartridge. Use the cartridge puller, gently teasing it out. I like to compare it to pulling a tooth. Done right, it's oddly satisfying. Done wrong, you'll just make it angry
and viciously stuck.
Before inserting the new cartridge, apply some plumber's grease. It helps ease the new part in and out when future you looks back ambitiously. It's like prepping a bobsled for an easy glide. No need for extra friction among friends. Insert the new cartridge, ensuring it's aligned correctly. Usually there's a simplicity to it, like putting a USB in the right way on the first try. If it's upside down, don't force it, or it could damage this delicate piece of machinery. Reassemble the shower by replacing the retaining clip or nut first. Then it's the escutcheon plate and handle's turn. Congratulations, the set has made a full circle back onto the stage. Hopefully one day it'll be appreciated for its performances. Finally, turn the water back on and check for leaks. Nothing puts a damper on repairs like immediately needing another repair. If anything leaks, it may mean you skipped a step. Welcome to the shower cartridges riddle. Complete all steps to pass. For pro tips, wrap Teflon tape on any threads before assembly solves pesky minor leaks. And also record your process if you're prone to forgetting where screws go. It's like having a time traveling assistant who knows the future you needs a little nudge. Changing a shower valve cartridge might seem daunting, but it's really just a puzzle. Each step is a move set in the game of home repairs. Master this and earn the household title champion of plumbing. Scott from Portland here, happy to help you level up your DIY skills.